If you already have a TikTok account, go ahead and skip to the next video. If you don't have a TikTok account, we're about to change that. To create your TikTok account, start by opening up the App Store. Now search for TikTok and tap Install or Get, depending on your device. Once it's installed, you'll see the login screen. From here, you can continue with your Facebook, Apple, or Google account. Or if you want to create a TikTok account separate from another platform, sign up in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Now you can use your phone or email to create your account. And once again, you're offered the choice of signing in through one of your existing social media accounts. If you choose to create a new TikTok account, the app will want to know your birthday. Now choose between using your phone number or using an email address. Enter that information and tap Next. Depending on the sign-up method you chose, TikTok may send a verification code to your phone number or email. Enter the verification code and you're almost done. Tap the profile or me icon. Finally, completing your profile by adding a profile picture, a bio, and other details to personalize your account. We'll talk about your profile in depth later on, but for now, just put in anything. You can edit your profile at any time, so don't worry about getting it right the first time. Now you have your account. It's time to start exploring TikTok. Start with the basics. Swipe up or down on the For You page to see different videos, or tap the search icon to find content based on your interests. Congratulations! You've opened a portal to a whole new world. Go ahead and fly through it. I'll see you when you touch down. Having a strong profile is as important as the videos you make for TikTok, because once someone likes your content, you want them to come back, swipe to your profile. You want them to love what they see and follow you. So change your profile picture, just tap it. Then tap the edit icon. It's this little pen and paper, you can't miss it. And then all you have to do is select an image from your pictures. Just find a picture that speaks to your personal brand or business. And if you're not quite sure what that is, well, that's okay. We'll figure it out on the way. Remember, you can change your profile picture anytime you want. You can even use GIFs, liven it up with some short videos, or if you want some movement and animation, that helps too. It helps tell your story, and you tell even more of your story with words. Tap the Edit Profile picture. This takes you to the Edit Profile page, and then tap Add a Bio to your description. It's right next to the word Bio. Case in point, just start typing. Bloop, 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 bloop. You only have 80 characters. It's not a lot, but it's okay. It might seem limiting, but what it does is teach you to treat every one of those 80 characters like gold and use them to define your brand at a glance. Let's look at some examples. Your profile should be absolute flames, just eye-catching. You want them to come to your profile and know exactly what you're doing right out of the gate. So, for the purpose of this lesson, all the profile examples will be MOI. Moi. That's French for me. You're welcome. Now, in this example, let's just say I'm a supermodel, okay? Who takes followers on a journey through international high fashion, right? Take a look at my profile. What does it have? It has a sexy, brooding photo, okay? My bio's there. You know exactly what you need from everything you see. You have an email address for contact, and guess what? Even a link to my personal merch store, so if I'm selling stuff, you can buy it. Now, let's just say, I'm an auto parts specialist, okay? I'm taking viewers for rides in some of history's most amazing vehicles, telling them everything I know about cars. And then when you're watching my content, you know exactly what I'm doing and what I'm saying. So, my picture's an eye-catching vintage car, and my bio summarizes my brand. It tells you all about my 7 million subscribers on YouTube, and provides a link to my company website. Everything is there. If you go to my TikTok profile, that's almost like my website. Now, in this last example, let's just say I'm a couples counselor. I answer your questions, I offer advice, and share tips and tricks on keeping relationships solid. Yeah, bit of a stretch. My profile picture is friendly and welcoming in my bio, and of course, I establish credibility by citing my doctorate. Just kidding, I don't have one. I connect with the viewer by saying I'm your couples counselor. Then I offer a link to more content, and finally a schedule of when I'll be in your city signing books. Each of these profiles is in lockstep with its influencer's brand, and each profile links to a greater body of work, giving followers more of what they like. Now, you may look at the sample profiles and ask yourself, am I being genuine? Am I being authentic? Am I being me for me? How do you know I'm not a highly educated therapist driving million-dollar cars to fashion shows? That's right, you don't. Okay, fine, I'm not. But if I was, I'd show it off in my perfect profile, right? If you're bringing your business to TikTok, you'll want your profile to lead viewers to your company website. But a simple just the facts approach won't appeal to TikTok's culture. The irony is that this bio has no character, but uses all 80 of them. For TikTok, it's your business, your brand, and all of that should have personality. This is an interesting company. Your content could be videos of the strangest things people have tried to recycle, or tips on how to cut down on waste, and why you're proud of doing what you do. Much better. Think of your company as a person. What are its quirks, its likes and dislikes? Figure out your company's personality and use that to build its profile. That's your best bet. The most important thing about your username or handle is that it should be easy to remember. Usernames have a maximum length of 24 characters and can use letters, numbers, periods, or underscores. You can change your username once every 30 days. Your handle appears on your videos, so try to avoid using too many special characters. You want your audience to remember you, right? Nobody's gonna remember teal, blue, I'm not even gonna try the rest. But if you're not using your real name or some version of it, use a handle that speaks to your brand. Usernames have to be unique, so you might not be able to get exactly what you want, but you might be able to get close. Now, if you're active on other social media platforms and you can match your name from there on TikTok, well, that's the best way to go. You always want to make it as easy as possible for your audience to find you on one platform or across all platforms.